Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today we are having a small discussion for the separation course. We are from group 2 and next we will introduce ourselves first. Start from Fatih.
My name is Fatih binti Muhammad Azhar. My ID student is 23005.
My name is Fatima binti Muhammad Amirudin. My student ID is TJ23042.
My name is Naila Masar binti Muhammad Aziman. My student ID is
Everybody asking how we doing, say
My name is Arifah Zakilah binti Muhammad Firuddin. My ID number is TJ23051. My name is Anas Amira binti Muhammad Noor. My ID number is TJ23003.
Okay, now let's proceed for the next discussion of task division and planning experiments. For our group, we got the granulated sugar. So, how about the material?
for the materials. We need granulated sugar, food coloring, and skin. So who's gonna buy the materials?
I can buy. Okay, Fatih, let's go together.
Okay, both of you buy first and share the QR and the total cost of the material.
Okay, settle for the material cost. So, how about the sugar and the water?
I think how about water 30 ml and sugar 90 grams.
Okay, let me take note about that. So the ratio is 1 to 3, right?
Yes.
So when we gonna conduct the experiment?
You guys bring tomorrow?
I'm free tomorrow.
No, I have class at morning.
So, how about the evening?
I'm free. Yes. So I will have to ask permission from Mr. Hashim tomorrow morning, and I will inform you guys.
So, how about the observation?
I can go to observe our result on the first day.
If the crystal is not formed yet, I will go for tomorrow.
So, for the next day, if the crystal still didn't form, I will go.
Okay, if the crystal form, just you guys inform in the group so I can observe it under microscope.
You guys don't forget to update our result in the group, okay?
Okay, so how about the report?
Okay, for the report, I think I can help you guys to open the pool in the group WhatsApp, and then you guys can put which part that you guys want. So let me make a pool. Okay, you guys can do it now.
I look for introduction. I will do the
I will do the conclusion.
I will take the rest. So for the abstract, Aina. For the introduction, Amira. Fatin will take the data processing, and I will take the conclusion. So I will take the method.
Okay.
Okay, now I will create working and I will share to you guys. Okay, for tomorrow, I will record every step of the experiment.
Okay, I will help you. For the activity part, I will take the discipline.
Okay.
So then,
Is there anything you guys want to add?
I don't know. That's all. That's all for me. So I think that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
Prepare the material, which is granulated sugar, beaker, string, food coloring, and the measure of the water, which is 30 ml. Then weigh the granulated sugar, which is 100 grams. Put the 30 ml of purified water into the small beaker. Heat the water using a hot plate until it boils. Then gradually add sugar to the hot water. Mix the solution using the glass rod or just put the magnetic stirrer into the beaker. Add few drops of food coloring. Mix the solution until it forms one color only. Weigh the mass of the remaining sugar and record the data. While the solution is cooling, prepare for a crystallization setup based on your creativity. Observe the beaker and record any changes.
On the first day after we done the experiment, we observed and found that the sugar is in the phase of supersaturation, which is supersaturation refer to a state where a sugar solution contain more dissolved sugar than it normally can at a given temperature. This is a metastable state, meaning it's unstable and the excess sugar will eventually come out of the solution and form crystals.
Hi, today we are going to share our crystal observation on the second day.
So on the second day, the crystal starts to form and attached to the stream appear as tiny and sparkling point within the solution. The small nucleus that began to form on the first day had grown larger, well-defined crystal. This crystal exhibited a clear and transparent appearance with smooth and cubic shapes.
So the characteristic of crystal on the second day is the crystal form were clear and transparent. So on the second day, the primary nucleation and secondary nucleation start to occur. So primary nucleation is referred to the initial formation of crystal nuclei in the superheated solution, while the secondary nucleation is the existing crystal that can induce the formation of new nuclei that can help in the proliferation and growth of crystal.
So, the successful transition from nucleation to crystal growth highlight the efficiency and effectiveness of the crystallization process under the control condition.
Then remove the excess solution and left the crystal only. Put the crystal into chiller at least one night. Measure the size of crystal. Prepare the microscope setup and observe the crystal under the microscope.
Now, I will share how we obtain our result after the formation of the crystal. First, we measured the crystal using a ruler and our result was as much as 4 cm. After that, we observed using a microscope using two lenses, which is 4 times and 10 times. We found that the crystals grow rapidly happen during the day 1 and day 2. and the data that we obtain has been recorded in the table.